2013 GMC Yukon Denali. The 6.2 liter V8 engine. All the extras. Sitting on chrome 20s. Running boards. Power mirrors. Good sounding exhaust. Backup camera. Plenty of room in the back. There we go. Fold down third row seats. Let's see if I can get a good shot of how deep that is. Trailer hitch behind the cover there. That rear door is power. Rear captains. Third row. Dual rear DVD. Rear seats are heated. Front seats are front door, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power fold mirrors, heated seats, air conditioned seats, power seats, leather, lots of storage, DVDs, sunroof, OnStar, Bose audio, backup camera, there we go. Dual passenger, dual heat and cooled, passenger and driver, power footrest, navigation, of course the radio. Only 158,000 miles, no engine warning lights, heated steering wheel, cruise control, built-in trailer brake, automatic headlights. Like, this thing has it all. If there's a feature that the GM had in 2013, it's on this vehicle. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out a credit application, and I'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.